Welcome back to the Luxury Cars Review. As of March 2025, RAM has not officially announced or released a dedicated motorhome model for the 2026 model year. However, RAM's versatile chassis, particularly the RAM ProMaster, has been a popular foundation for third-party campervan and motorhome conversions. These conversions often feature innovative and customizable exterior designs tailored to various preferences and needs. RAM ProMaster-based campervan conversions. Exterior design overview. 1. Sleek and stealthy appearance. Minimalistic design. Many conversions maintain a clean and unassuming exterior, often referred to as stealth campers, allowing for discreet urban camping. Monochromatic color schemes, commonly finished in neutral tones like black, white, or grey to blend seamlessly into urban environments. 2. Functional roof configurations. Low-profile roof installations, equipped with walkable solar panels and flat-mounted satellite receivers to maintain a sleek silhouette. Ventilation systems, incorporation of roof vents or low-profile air conditioning units to ensure adequate airflow without compromising the exterior aesthetics. 3. Discrete utility access points. Concealed hookups, water, electrical, and waste connections are often hidden or integrated subtly into the vehicle's design to preserve the streamlined look. 4. Durable and practical materials. Protective coatings, use of high-quality paint finishes and rust-resistant materials to withstand various weather conditions and extend the vehicle's lifespan. 5. Customizable exterior accessories. Modular attachments, options for adding roof racks, awnings, or bike mounts that can be installed or removed based on the user's adventure requirements. Conclusion. While RAM has not introduced a specific motorhome model for 2026, the RAM ProMaster serves as a versatile platform for custom campervan conversions. These conversions emphasize a balance between stealthy aesthetics and functional design, catering to both urban explorers and off-grid adventurers. The adaptability of the ProMaster chassis allows for a wide range of exterior design customizations, ensuring that each conversion meets the unique needs of its owner. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.